guys, welcome back to our YouTube page, Off-Road Fury Barbados, and we are here live today to tell you about two nice sleek ATVs we have here. Right, so on my left we have the Roketa 300cc ATV, and on my right we have the CFMOTO 450cc ATV. Both are two great utility vehicles here, right? So we're going to tell you about these two vehicles today on Off-Road Fury Barbados. So remember guys, to follow our page, Off-Road Fury Barbados, like, subscribe, and share. Alright guys, so it's Chris here again from Off-Road Fury Barbados, and we're going to give you some introduction into these two machines here. So first here we have this 300cc Roketa ATV. We've had this unit here about probably 2 years or so. It's a nice machine, runs pretty well, pretty quick, nice on the rough, nice to the off-roading activity guys, right? Pretty decent machine. And here we have this, so this one here is the CFMOTO 450L. It carries a 400cc engine, very lovely sleek machine as you can see, outfitted well with lots of accessories. This is definitely a nice machine to ride, a nice machine to have. All right, so we're going to run through these two machines here for you and give you a quick overview of which machine we think is the best ATV unit to have here. All right guys, so we're here with the Roketa 300cc ATV here, right? And it's a nice machine, as I said. It carries its crash bar up front, headlights, indicators, have area here for storage up front as well. If you come around to the side, you can see it carries the 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive shifter here, thumb throttle over here, foot pedal brake here for the rear brake. The front brake is actually on the left side of this unit here, over here on the left side. It carries a horn over here, indicators as well, left and right indicators, kill switch here as well too. So this one carries one brake lever on the left, foot brake lever here on the right, and it also allows you to shift this unit from 4 high to 4 low or to reverse. All right, so it's actually a 4-wheel drive unit, 300cc displacement, and at the back here you have this rack that you can put some storage here. You can put a tent on the back, a cooler for some drinks if you're out off-roading. Carries a tow hitch at the back too as well, so you have a nice tow hitch at the back here as well too. And this is a lovely unit to have. You can lock your brakes here in from the front so that unit doesn't go anywhere, and it actually can seat about 2 persons. So if you have 2 persons, one can ride on the back, one can ride on the front, and it's actually a pretty big machine. Nice machine, very sleek, very good machine to ride. Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you about the size of the tires. This unit comes with some nice chrome rims here, as you can see, both front and back. It carries some 25-inch wheels up front as well as 25 inches at the back. So it's pretty high off the ground, good traction, good rubber on the tires, so great for when you're out in the mud and getting stuck or so. Very good. Alright, so this unit can actually carry a winch up front, alright, but this did not come with that. But you can actually install a winch up front. So if you're out, you get stuck, you want to have your machine pulled out, you can actually install a winch up front on this machine. Alright, another nice thing that it has here is that you can actually switch the gas off, so you can go from that off position on into that on position. If you're not using your unit, turn that gas off, or if you're using the unit, you turn the gas on. Alright guys, so that's it for the Roketa 300cc ATV. Alright, we're going to take it for a ride a bit later and give you some actual reviews while riding this machine. Alright guys, so we're going to pause this video for a few seconds. I want you to comment below which machine do you think is the better one. On the left, red 300cc Roketa ATV, or on the right, the blue 400cc CFMOTO ATV. Comment below, let us know which machine you prefer. Alright. Take this unit for a quick test run. I'm going to get it started up. So remember, Off-Road Fury Barbados, remember to follow our YouTube page. Alright guys, like, subscribe, and share. Alright. Going through the mud there. Very good. A bit of rough terrain here. Yeah, this is good. This is great. So we're back here off-road Fury Barbados, guys, and we test drive both of these machines here, alright? The Roketa 300cc ATV and the CFMOTO 450cc ATV. Both of them are great, excellent machines, but I must say, hands down, 400cc is going to be better than 300cc's for sure. This machine here rides great. This machine rides good as well too, but this is not as durable as the 400cc CFMOTO ATV, alright? This is fast, this is quick, this handles the rough terrain very well, very good on the acceleration, very good on the inclines as well, alright? This machine here accelerates good, it handles the rough terrain as well, but hands down, CFMOTO 450cc ATV, this is the unit you want to have, alright? Guys, so remember, follow our YouTube page, Off-Road Fury Barbados. Remember to share that page. We want to push those followers up. Subscribe, like, and comment. Tell us what you like. Tell us if you want us to review other machines as well too. So remember, Off-Road Fury Barbados. Follow that YouTube page. Subscribe, like, and share, guys. All right.